Hello guys, so I'm here doing another project since I finished my dashboard, and now the floor needed some attention. So I'm gonna start doing the floor for now. I'll keep you posted. This is the basic stuff that you gotta do. First, remove the seats and everything. I haven't removed this one yet, and the funny thing or the cool thing about this that I'll be able to do a nice wood floor. Well, it's not actually wood, it's actually PVC or vinyl. It looks like wood, so it won't get damaged by water for under $300. So first step about this, which is a sound barrier or heat barrier, I buy a Home Depot, $20 the roll, somewhere around there. So, and I'm gonna put here in the floor. Also, it's gonna help me out to level the floor a little, because here, as you can see, you have this beam or whatever it's called. It goes in the middle and it's raised. So I'm gonna put here the sound barrier or whatever it's called, just to help them a little too, you know, because of the different heights. So that's step number one. Remove the floor, remove everything, clean up. What I did in order to keep it also, you know, all the sound and everything outside, bugs, debris, heat from coming in and out. There's a lot of little holes once you remove the vinyl, the actual rubber that was here. There was a lot of holes, so I bought these little tabs. They sell them at Home Depot. They're for roof, you know, to fixing the roof, and they're galvanized, but they last pretty good. They've been here for 6 years or so, since the very first time I did my wood floor, and they're still holding. So what I did, I just used regular caulking. So I just put caulking around it and stick it in, and that should help to cover all the little holes. So yeah, that's it. My power plant was there, my little converter, and let's see how it turns out. So here it is. I put the sound barrier. I decided to cut around the rivets, because otherwise it will feel like a bump. Don't judge me, that's the way I decided to do it. I don't know it's the proper way, but that's the way I decided. Next step, I'm gonna put a sheet of 1/2 inch PVC sheet, and I'm gonna cut it up to here. I'm gonna leave like a little canal to run wires, so maybe in the future I put some sound system in the back of my truck. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and let me start doing the PVC. So I'm ready here to start cutting the PVC. This 1/2 inch PVC sheet that I bought at Home Depot. Please make sure that you cut it properly, because it's expensive. It's like $70 a piece. It's more expensive than the actual vinyl floor. So I'm ready to cut it. So there it is, guys. The first piece is in. I cut all the way to there, because I don't know if I'm gonna put another piece up there, or I'm just gonna put it straight, the floor straight onto the sound barrier. So that's the way I wanted it. We got the groove to pass the cables. I gotta go get the cables, and here I have to remove the seat belt. And what I would do, and what I would suggest, put like at least 4 screws, self-tapping screws, on each corner. That's what I'm going to do next. So now that I got this side, I gotta do everything the same on the other side. So yeah, let's go to step number 2. I gotta go get the cables, run it through this into the radio, run it all the way to the back, make sure they're in there, and cut the other piece on the other side. I gotta remove the seat, which I don't want to do yet. I gotta remove also the gas pedal, and that's what it is. So let's go to the next step. Okay guys, so I got the other side almost all cut out. I just wanted to show you a little trick on how to do the circle where the shifter goes. This piece has to come off right here. So what I did is 7" 1/4 diameter. So what I did, I just got the measurements all around the square. Then I found the middle, and I did put a zip tie, and then I did a little hole here on the edge of this line, and I just put the pencil there with a self-tapping screw attached to the middle. Then you just go like this, and then you have your diameter for the shifter. I just have to cut it out. I just want to show you that right quick, and it's almost ready to put it in the truck. Okay guys, so we're ready to put the vinyl planks. The PVC is all screwed down to the floor, to the actual aluminum. I use self-tapping screws. They're number 8 by 1 inch long. They did the job. At the beginning I was using the spade drill bit to drill before, but the actual PVC is really soft, so it doesn't really need it. So just step around it. I just put as many as I needed. What I did, I just step around the PVC, and where it feels like moving, I will put a screw. But now it seems that it's all nice and flat, so we're ready to put the vinyl floor. Okay guys, so here's another step I did. This is the line that goes to the seat. So I just cut it because I don't want it to be around here. I want to do this as clean as possible. So what I did, the line actually comes here from the side of the truck and comes out. So what I did, I just drilled a hole through the floor to there. You can actually see. And I'm gonna run it through the bottom of the truck. So once I have the seat mounted, I'm gonna make a hole right underneath the seat, so it's nice and clean. I just wanted to share that tip with you guys. So let's keep on working on it. Okay, we're almost done here. As you guys can see, a little tip. I just realized I had to remove all these panels, whatever they call, and I used the little piece that I cut out there just to put it there, so that way I covered this corner, because the last time I did, this corner will show up and it will look ugly. So just a little tip. Almost done. We're almost there, guys. I just want to show you a little hint, a little clue, a little tip, whatever you call it. Here is where the floor is gonna start raised. So what I did, I just scored it on the back. Let me show you. Right there, but I didn't go all the way through. You can actually see. I just did the PVC, but the actual vinyl is still intact. And you just bend it and it should be okay. Or the other way to do it is just start right there where the bend starts. Start from there up, start from there back. That's where they joint. But I did it like that last time, but now I wanted to try this way. So that's the way to do it right there.